Hi, my name is Celia Cano. We are here at the International Workboat Show in New Orleans. I'm here today with Ernie Ortega in marine sales here at Scania. Thank you so much for being here today.
Pleasure to be here.
Can you start by telling us a little bit about yourself and your role at Scania, and also just a quick overview of the company?
Sure. I'm Ernesto Ortega, the Marine Sales Manager for Scania USA. I'm based out of San Antonio, Texas. A little background on Scania is we're primarily a truck manufacturing company based in Europe. But as part of that, of course, we develop our own engines. And what we've done is taken a lot of that technology from engines that we've learned in trucking and applied that to different markets, off-road, power gen, and for here today, we're talking about the marine engine.
Awesome. And I've heard that you are debuting a new marine engine here at Workboat.
So today we have the new next-gen marine engine, 13 liters, inline 6-cylinder.
Awesome. And can you talk a little bit about what makes this engine different than previous models?
Absolutely. Every subsystem in this engine has kind of been redesigned. Some of the really big changes that are going to be new to people who are familiar with Scania is going to be we have a new mono block cylinder head and a newly redesigned engine block. What that's going to end up doing is allow us to really bump up the compression ratio of the engine, and that's where you're going to see the majority of the 7% better fuel economy you're going to see on this engine.
Awesome. And can you talk to us a little bit about what makes this engine more fuel efficient than previous models?
Absolutely. So one of the biggest things you're going to see is that the Scania mono cylinder head has been redesigned. It's a single piece now. We've also got a really new redesigned engine block. Both of those are going to contribute to overall block stiffness. What that's going to let us do is bump up the cylinder pressure internally significantly. Better cylinder pressure is going to equal more fuel efficiency. All of the subsystems also have reduced internal friction. We're talking oil galleys have been redesigned, coolant flow passages have been designed, airflow passages is also redesigned, and overall, all of those small changes have led up to an engine that's greater than the sum of its parts as when we talk about fuel efficiency. Some of the things that Scania is known for with our engines is reliability. One of the key features we want to share with this engine is its power density is going to be very high. It's going to only be 2,800 pounds, which is generally going to be the best leading in class weight for any 13 liter or 14 liter. We've set the engine up so that when you're looking at the engine from the back, your left-hand side has all your customer, say, touch points. You have your duplex fuel filters here. We're going to have our oil fill, oil dipstick, expansion tank, heat exchanger, seawater in and out, our customer electronic connection points, and then our fuel in and fuel out. So everything as a customer you would need to touch is on this side. And on this side, the right-hand side of the engine is what we call the hot side. Here's where you're going to see all your air connections. You're going to see our starter, and then you're going to see the CCV system. And new for this engine, we'll have dual alternators as well.
Awesome. And is there anything new that we can, in addition to the engine, that we can look forward to at Scania?
Absolutely. So it's not ready yet, but we can look forward to eventually this engine will be coupled with our e-machine unit on the back end. That e-machine unit is going to be our approach to hybrid solutions and the future for electrification. What that's going to let us do is that motor sits behind this engine. That's going to offer the end user tons of flexibility in how they operate that vessel. You can run off just pure diesel propulsion. You can run off diesel and electric for a power boost. You can run off just electric if you're trying to be quiet, or in any other way you can charge up batteries or any other sort of kind of operation in between.